Inside hood clearance on our C3 L88 hood. Our hoods, we call it extra large because it's bigger than anyone else's. That's the way you want things. And so we're wanting to determine the inside clearance for the folks that are putting a lot of engine underneath a hood and needing clearance to still be able to close it. And so we've came 35 inches from the point of the hood surround forward. And then we've marked our hood that same 35 inches. We're 35 inches from the peak of the hood surround forward. So we've marked our hood surround and we marked our hood at 35 inches. So this being our prototype car, we get to do all kinds of things to it. Now we're laying our board across here at that 35 inch. And then this is all of the inside of the hood surround. Should be approximately the bottom of the hood. And so you've got your little board. We have a 1x2, almost the same height as the front of our air cleaner. And so this is just a way to determine how much clearance that we have. So now we've taped our board to the back side of the hood, which is on the bottom of the hood frame, and that hood frame should be sitting about where the bottom of the hood surround drip rail is. And so I'm going to measure. So from the bottom of my board, I have 6 3/4 inch clearance. Okay, so I have 6 3/4 inch clearance. Can you see that good that way, or you want to come this way and catch it on, over my left shoulder? 6 3/4 inch clearance to the center, which is right here. So you take the board off and you sit the board down on the front of the line. And that is roughly 2 inches to the top of that air cleaner at the front of the base. If you want to come off the front of it, off the center where the wing nut is, that's roughly 3 inches. So that's giving you over 3 inches more clearance from this configuration. So is what you'll need to do to figure out if this hood is going to work for you is 35 inches, board going across. You're going to measure from the bottom of that board and come up. And if you go past 6 inches, this hood's not going to work. So from the bottom of that board, roughly up, you have 6 3/4 inches to the bottom of the hood. So at 6 3/4 inches, you can add a good 3.5 inches to what this configuration is. This is a 82 car, but we've taken the crossfire off of it and we put an aluminum intake on it with a Holley carburetor. It's a Performer intake by Elderbrock Performer. And another thing, this had the low base air cleaner, so the air cleaner sit down lower than normal, than what you normally get in some of the aftermarket air cleaners. This car used to have another custom hood on it, but this one is bigger. So 7 3/4 inches is what you have from the bottom framework of the hood just in front of the carburetor. So you got to do your measurement on your car and see if that's going to work. Most cases, it's probably going to work great. That's why we made it bigger. But every once in a while, you get someone with one that's a little bit bigger. So now you're going to need more clearance. We'll figure it out. Thanks for watching.